Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a hot topic in the world of meal kits: HelloFresh versus Home Chef. As we dive into 2025, these services have evolved with more options, better ingredients, and smarter tech. If you're tired of deciding what's for dinner or want to save time in the kitchen, this comparison will help you choose the best fit for your lifestyle. Let's jump right in. First up, let's talk price. HelloFresh typically starts at around $9 per serving, making it a budget-friendly option for families, while Home Chef edges in at about $10 per serving with frequent discounts. But HelloFresh often has more promotional deals, which could save you more in the long run. However, Home Chef shines with customizable portion sizes, perfect if you're cooking for one or two. Next, variety is key. HelloFresh boasts over 30 weekly recipes, including tons of vegetarian and wellness-focused meals, giving you that extra edge for dietary needs. Home Chef counters with about 25 options, emphasizing global flavors and quick prep dishes under 30 minutes. If you're a busy professional, Home Chef's speed might win you over, but HelloFresh's broader selection could keep things exciting month after month. Now, on quality and taste, both deliver fresh, high-quality ingredients, but user reviews from 2025 highlight HelloFresh for its farm-fresh produce and flavorful seasonings. Home Chef isn't far behind, with rave reviews for its meat quality and innovative recipes. Ease of use is another tie. Both have user-friendly apps for easy ordering and modifications, though HelloFresh's recipe cards are more detailed for beginners. Customer service is where things differ. HelloFresh has improved its support with 24/7 chat, based on recent updates, while Home Chef offers solid email responses but sometimes longer wait times. Finally, for sustainability, HelloFresh leads with eco-friendly packaging and carbon-neutral shipping options. So, which is better? It depends on your priorities. If you want variety and eco-conscious choices, go with HelloFresh. For quick meals and customization, Home Chef might be your winner. Whichever you pick, both make eating at home a breeze. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews. What's your go-to meal kit? Let me know in the comments.